This evening, our bite of the week comes from the father of 10-year-old Shani Coke, who was killed in Trelawny. Here's our bite of the week.
I talked to the father. I said, why you bring back this guy into the neighborhood? He said, I've seen picnic do what I want to do with him picnic. And see, I beg him, I said, I your cousin. Get this guy out of the neighborhood. The guy came to my business place and buy file quite a few times, machete file. And I said to him, my little daughter around there, she live around there as a girl child. Don't molest him coming out and you go rape and kill him. He said, no, Mr. Coke, I won't do it. The interview I'm giving you, I'm trying to see if I can get it all out of me, but I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. But I'm saying what I can say, you know. Life is so unfair.
Such a sad story.
I was just about to say that. Very heartbreaking.
May her soul rest in peace. Now, the Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.